Hello guys, today we're going to be doing what's in my bag. So far I have, first up in my bag is gloves that you can put to warm your fingers under your under the real gloves. And then I got a Bauer True Vision helmet. It's very comfy inside of it because it's all that padding. Yeah, I had this for 3 years or 4 years. Yeah, 4 years. I have my hockey pants. It's really padded up here, and it's Bauer, and I love Bauer stuff. And it's I don't know the name of it, but it's back here if you can see it. And yeah, I love it because it has the big thing at the back. And I have my hockey gloves. These are not Bauer, but it's, I don't know, it's older, but I'm not getting new gloves because these are comfortable and it's lots of protective on it for playing hockey. This is my second year of wearing this shoulder pad. It's of course Bauer because I love Bauer stuff. But I don't really know what's these things because I'm not really a good neighbor person. But yeah, I love this. Has good shoulder pad. You won't get hurt. These are my knee pads. Had them for like 4 years because this is my fourth year playing hockey. So yeah, so I'm gonna get new knee pads soon. So yeah, I don't know, it doesn't say on here. I call it knee pads and people call it shin guards. And these are my elbow pads. I have another one in my bag. I'm going to show you after. I taped them so I don't need to take the Velcro off. I'll just do it. These are little kids one. I got it from a garage sale. Because I don't really like fresh new ones because it itches my skin and my hands are always dry. So this is always, it's still a lot of padding, and I don't know what these are. These are my new ones. It's Bauer, of course, because I love Bauer stuff. And it's more protective over here, because these ones don't really have the protective on the high part here, where the thing here is. So yeah, I'm still wearing these. Next year I'm gonna wear these. Like in September I'm gonna wear these. I have this to wipe down my skates. These are my skates. I had them for 3 or 2 years. It's not brand new, but I like them. It's Bauer, of course, and it's like a thick piece right here to push this in, and it's nice and red. And here's a piece that you can pull down and take the blade off of it. I get new skates because when I grow out of these, so I might do a part 2 of this when I get more new equipment. So stay in touch. I got my water bottle. I'm a Oilers fan, Edmonton Oilers fan, and I think that I got this from Canadian Tire. So yeah, and then just basic black socks for over my knee pads, and these are good. The straps, sticky straps, just because you don't want to waste a lot of tape. You just put this over your sock and hold your knee pads together, and it stays very well like that, but I don't have it on. Yeah. Yeah. My favorite part of my equipment is, all of them are very important, but my very first thing that I love is my skates, because it's super comfy, and if you don't tie the skates really tight, it's still tight, because I think these are mold skates. So if you didn't tie your skates up well, it will still be tight enough. And my second part is my this because I had 3 of these, not like this kind, but a Bauer kind. Oh, this pants is a Bauer. Because it's so much of protection, and my old ones did not have all that protection. So when I'm on the ice, I fall and my back hurts when I fall on my ear. And my last favorite thing, I know it's all important stuff, is my helmet, Bauer True Vision, because I love it so much, and you should really get it. It's very, very protective, comfy, and this broke, but I had it for like 4 years or 5 years. So I had it for a long time. So we just super glued it and screw it back in. And I love it too because you get 3 helmets on each side, here, 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 and here. And then you also can tie it. You also can tie the back. No, not tie it, but like make it tighter at the back or bigger. Okay. And I love the ear part of it because it's one little here protective and it can protect your ears. And I love this because the thing here is so soft, and when you fall on the ice or something, when you're playing hockey, it doesn't hurt. This is my neck guard, just in case a stick or a puck or a skate comes on it, protects it. I had a smaller one, but like I lost that somewhere when I'm playing hockey or at my house. But it's too big, but like it still stays, but I wish it got more Velcro on the back, so I make it tighter. And yeah, that is basically it. So I will end the video here. I make a video every day. Stay tuned for next weekend. I'm going to tell you how much goals I did. I got in the season or so far. And I will end it here and like the button down below if you like this video, and like it if you also play ice hockey. And bye guys. Bye guys.